So guys, welcome to Tsubakuro dake. Here I am at the Northern Alps in Japan, and I'm going to take you on a tour in one of Japan's most popular mountain huts. So guys, we are at Enzanso, a very popular mountain hut here in Japan, located at the Northern Alps. It has a majestic view of Mount Tsubakuro over there. This mountain hut is located around 2,600 meters above sea level, and it is in prime location. A Japanese mountain hut is an amazing experience in itself, so I'm going to show you around what it's like at Enzanso. At Enzanso, they offer lunch, snacks, overnight stays, use of toilet, tent camp, and an amazing view to top it all. Now this mountain hut is so big. Look at this. This is the dining area, and I think it fits what? At least 50 people. Where are we now? We are here. So that's we're gonna go up there, go via there, and then Jonentake, Chogantake, and then down to Kamikochi. Where is Kamikochi? Probably around here. And then on the other side, we go up Sugoroku dake, on purposely avoiding Yariga dake, but we just want a nice view of it. Alright, so gonna give you a tour of the Yamagoya. Oh, what a nice day. Such a perfect day. Woo-hoo. Now the tent site for this camp is amazing. Look at that. You have your own little cliff. So we're gonna have dinner now. With this ticket, we're gonna start 6:40. Alcohol. Okay, sweet. Very nice here at the Yamagoya. They had like hamburger, they had cheese and hamburger, they had fish and everything, and miso soup was so good. Now they're very fast. They're like starting to do cleanup now. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here at the Alps. Breakfast time. So yeah, breakfast was a nice spread of salmon, sausage, egg, rice, and miso soup. It's very filling. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what it's like inside a Yamagoya room. So in this room we got double bunk tatami mats. So you stay on a tatami mat and you have futon. And what's great about this is there's actually a very nice view outside. In this Yamagura, it costs 11,000 yen to stay, and it includes 2 meals, dinner and breakfast. So these are how the rooms look like. These plastic things to separate you from the other person. So this tatami room is so nice. They actually have a nice view of the Alps right outside the window. Now I understand why Enzanso is one of the most popular mountain huts in Japan. It's very nice. I mean, the facilities, you can't ask for more in a mountain hut, and it's such in a nice location. Like, look at this, look at what I'm looking at. And it's so lucky that it's so sunny. Imagine if it were raining. I wouldn't be enjoying it if it were raining.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another episode of my Japan Alps series.